The PaintManager XI color software is a powerful color management tool that takes technicians, managers, and shop owners to an entirely new level of productivity and performance in their workplace. This short video will help you unbox and set up your label printer. Let's get started. As you unbox your label printer, you'll notice several components that may vary slightly depending on your brand of printer, but will serve the same purpose. You will see a power adapter, a connectivity cable, an instruction manual, the printer itself, and any paper that was provided along with the setup. Good job! You've unboxed your label printer and are now ready to connect it to your PC. Please make sure that the PaintManager XI color software is closed for this portion of the setup. In order to power your printer, you'll need to connect the power cable. Please be aware that your printer is not compliant in a mixing room and must be kept outside. Plug the cable into the power adapter, then connect one end to the back of the printer and the other end to the power outlet. Ensure that the power cable is securely plugged in and has plenty of slack. If the cable is too taut, it may become unplugged. Now, connect the USB cable from the back of the printer to a free USB port on the computer. Now that your device is connected, you can launch the PaintManager XI color software. Go to Settings, Printer Settings, and then under the bottom label column, click the drop-down arrow and select your printer. If you do not see your printer on the list, you may need to restart your software. You'll also need to select what kind of paper you're printing under the Formula Template drop-down menu. Click the template and select the label paper you're going to load into your printer. In this case, we'll be selecting the 30256 Landscape Full Formula. It's a good idea to match this template to the custom formula and RFU templates as well. Once this is done, click Save at the top right of the window. Nicely done! You've successfully powered and connected your label printer. Now all that's left to do is get familiar with the workings of the printer and load it with paper. Now that you're powered and connected, make sure that your printer is loaded with paper. Remove the spool, slide the paper roll onto it, and then return the spool to the printer. Press the blue feed button to feed some of the paper through the printer, allowing it to catch. Congratulations! Your label printer is now ready for use with the PaintManager XI color software. If you have any further questions, please be sure to contact our help desk. And as always, keep a close eye out for future videos in this series.